Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Hairstyles by Shanequa, and today I'm installing a full lace wig that was provided to me by Love Me Hair, a 22-inch full lace wig, and I'm doing it on my model Lakeitha. Okay, so here I'm just cutting off the excess cap. I used the Got to Be Glued and laid the cap down, set her under the dryer for about 10 minutes, and I'm just cutting the excess off that's not glue, gel down to her scalp. And also I'm using a beige cap, and I had braided her hair down previously, and then I just molded the cap to her head. Here I'm just cutting the cap off, as you'll see. First, you want to take some alcohol, 91% alcohol, and clean around the perimeter of the head so no oils or dirt or makeup is left on the skin so that the ghost bun will stick to the skin. So here I just got the wig, and I'm going to make sure everything fits properly. Just pulling it down. Make sure it's tight enough. Make sure it fits on her head properly. And I'm going and adding in some, I think it was Maybelline powder. And I also added a little bit of the powder onto her cap just to make everything look scalp-like. I didn't get to bleach the knots on this unit because the time, we didn't have enough time to do it. But I did use the powder for the cap and the wig. Now I'm just laying the wig onto the glue. I used Ghost Bond, and I'm just taking the comb and sliding it right at the root of the hair. After I press, once I get it on the glue, I'm taking the comb and pressing it right at the root of the hair and pressing just to make sure it's laid down. And you want to do that completely all the way around the head. I wouldn't try to lay any baby hairs or anything at this point. I would just try to secure the wig as best as possible to the ghost bun at this point. So yeah, I'm just taking the comb, sliding the back of it to the root of the hair, pressing, pressing, and making sure everything is sticking well. Here I'm just massaging the wig down into the glue just to make sure everything is sticky and is laying down well, nothing is lifting. Now here I'm going to pull out a few hairs so that I can create her baby hairs. So I'm just going to pull out just a few, not a lot, all the way around the perimeter of the head. I'm just going to go around, take a few strings, not a lot. And I'm not going to use any razor. I'm going to take the scissors. First, I'm going to spray a little hairspray just to hold those hairs down. And that's generic hairspray by Sally's. And then I'm just going to take some regular hair scissors and just cut the baby hairs to the length that I want it to be. I'm not going to use a razor. I'm just going to cut it directly to the length that I want it to be. All the way around. After you cut the baby hairs to the length that you want them to be, get you some Got to Be Glued, the black one, and you just stick your little metal rat tail, the metal part of the rat tail comb, into the little hole, and you'll get enough to do one side. So you do that 2 times, and then you just put it on all of the little strings that you left out, and start and just lay it down really, really good with the Got to Be Glued. Just lay it down and then start forming your baby hairs. I didn't take a lot of hairs out. I used only a few strands of hair for the baby hair so that it's not too overwhelming, but still has that, baby hair slick hair kind of around the edges look. Just a little bit, but not too much. Here you can see I'm parting the hair out, and the hair is partable all the way from the front to back. The hair is super, super thick, so you're going to have to do more plucking. It already comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but you still may want to go ahead and re-bleach the knots and pluck some more just to customize the hairline even more. But the hair was super thick, super dense, and you can customize it as much as you like. It's not thin. It's a lot of hair at the front of the wig, and you'll be able to customize it as much as you want. Here I'm just taking 1/4 inch tool sides flat iron from Sally's and just making some kind of big barrel curls. And I'm going to pin up just two of them in the front just to kind of hold the curl. So the top two for the bang area, I'm going to pin those up until they cool off, just so we can kind of preserve that curl, because I'm not going to cut her any bangs where she can pull the hair up into a ponytail without having to worry about hair falling out. So we're just going to make a kind of like an illusion of a bang. Okay, here I'm just gonna take those two curls down and I had pinned up and actually pull them back. And once I got through laying down those baby hairs, I forgot to put that in there. I tied it down with two black wrap strips, and those wrap strips are gonna kind of be stuck because I put got to be glued on them, so it's gonna be kind of hard to get them off once they're dry. But you can just cut the strip in the middle and then pull it off around each side, and then it has the baby hairs laying down so good. They look really, really nice. So here I'm just taking some more of that same powder that I used to put under the cap and on the wig, and just defining her part just a little bit more. I did pluck, but like I said, the density of the wig was so thick in the front that you would have to have a lot of time to really get into it and start plucking it. It was really, really thick at the front, but they had already like pre-plucked the wig, so it was customizable where you can wear it already, but you can really go back in and customize some more. Here I'm just taking my big shampoo comb and just combing out those curls, and just, you know, prepping everything, getting everything looking nice. And like I said, I didn't give her a bang. I didn't cut a bang. We just did the barrel curls and then combed it over so it'll look kind of as if she had a slight bang cut. And here she's just turning around where you can see the full wig. And here is some pictures of the actual hairstyle after we were done styling it.